Hi, hello. So my name is Kiara. This channel is going to be all about my cosmetics line, Yelaura Beauty, that's going to be opening on 15 August 20. So freaking nervous and excited at the same time. Too many emotions. But anyway, yes, today I am just going to be showing you all how I pack sample orders. So today I'm going to be not sample orders. I'm going to be packing up some sample packs because I'm going to be walking around today. I live in the Bay Area. I'm going to be walking around today. I'm going to be handing these out to some popular spots just to get my name out there, just to get some more traction to my page and things like that there. The reason why I wanted to do this channel is because I was super inspired by all of the really popular, even big name, like the big name women up here that have these super successful cosmetic lines. And I was just like, man, I want to be, well, if I can help anybody out there, that would be awesome. But I also just want to document this journey as well. So again, I'm just going to be packing up some sample packs. I'm just going to show myself putting everything in the container. I will do separate mixing videos and all that good stuff like that there. If you have any other questions about anything, let me know. Again, I'm super nervous. I'm just so happy I watched my sermon this morning. Unity of Faith Christian Center, shout out to y'all because Mama's been all over the place. It's been all over the place. I've been nervous. And God was like, child, make the sample packs. And I got it from here. So I'm just like, Jesus, yes, we're in there like swimwear. So we're going to get these little sample packs together. We're going to get ourselves together. And then we're going to go out there and get these sample packs out. Because, yes, I need to get this stuff out. I would like to get it out. I'm just really excited to just share. Because I really have been I put a lot of work into getting my gloss and my scrub and my chapstick and everything together. And I'm actually really excited to share it with the world because I hope everyone enjoys it as much as I enjoy utilizing it myself and as much as I enjoy making it. So, yeah. That's it for this intro. Y'all let me know if you have any questions. I'll put my Instagram below if you want to check that out. My website will also be below for when it does open again on 15 August 20. It'll be opening if y'all want to browse the website or anything. So yeah, I'm about to put my music on and start filling. All right, bye. Hi. Cool. So y'all can see. So how I'm going to package these is I have this little card here I'm going to stick in my bags. Has my name, Yelaura Beauty, of course. Things contained in the sample pack. I have my chapstick, my D-chapstick here, and Classy. My Booster Shot Lip Plumping Gloss here in UKTV. And my Wipeout Lip Slush, which is my lip scrub in the color and the flavor Flamingo. And then I just have some little highlight, superstar ingredients in each thing, just so people have a little bit more information. So here's the baggie I'm gonna use. Oh, here's the baggie I'm gonna use. Oh, okay. Don't get all whatchamacallit on me now. Get all unfocused. Fine. Go open that thing up. It's open. Oh. I got some, oh, this is close. Let me scooch all that. That's a little better. All right, so I got some crinkle paper and a baggie. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of crinkle paper in my baggie. Just a little bit. Boom. So then, for this one, I'm gonna get one Classy, which is that. I'm gonna get one UKTV, which is this, and it's pink and sparkly. Then I'm gonna get one Flamingo, which is this one. It's pink on the top. So then, just because I have to use these, I need to get rid of them. I got these little things, these clear bags right here. I'm gonna stick, if I can get my fingers together. I'm gonna stick the samples up in there. Bong, bong, bong. What's goody? I'm gonna flip them over so they can be the same way. There's a thing on the back here you can remove. Hope I can get it off with these gloves on. Yay! I got it. Okay. Bang. So then I'm gonna fold it down like that. Just to keep it contained, because y'all know how lip gloss can be sometimes. I hope it doesn't spill, but in case it does, if it spills, I'm gonna be freaking tight. Like, I'm gonna be so tight if this lip gloss spills. So what I use to wipe my tubes and stuff, my little bottles off with, are these. Just because, again, y'all know lip gloss can be kind of slippery and slick or whatever. So then I'm gonna take this bag and put it here because it's doing the most. I'm gonna take this organza baggie and hopefully put this in here. It may be a tight fit. You're gonna see. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Oh, it looks cute. So we have that in there like that. Oh, I forgot to stick this in here. So we're gonna stick this in the baggie in the back to keep it open and to give it some shape. Look at our little samples. We're gonna lay them down like this. We're gonna lay them in the baggie like this. Then we're gonna take some candy, because y'all don't know this about me, but I love candy. I love candy so much that I ate half of this before I even gave the damn samples out. I'm tight at myself. So don't be like me. Don't go in on your product. I'm about to eat one right now, probably. But so for this pack, I'm just gonna put one blue airhead in here. And then for the other packs, I'm gonna put 2 yellow starbursts. Just because my colors are yellow and blue. Yellow, blue, and white. You can see yellow, blue, and white, and then metallic, so silver and gold. I'll explain what the colors mean later, or whatever the case may be. So there is one baggie. I have these little tabs, these two from tabs, but I don't know if I'm going to use those. So then I got sunflower stickers because I like sunflowers and I like the sun. Oh, okay, well, I just ripped my sticker in half. Okay, all right, well, that one is a dud, which is cool. So then I'm just gonna take a sticker, so that way when people walking around, they can be like, oh, she has a little sunflower bag. She got it from that girl. Yes, she did. She got it from that girl. So here is what my little sample bag looks like on the outside. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. You know, I'm going to put some more stuff in there because it's looking kind of sad in there. But, you know, that is what it is. So, yeah, that's how I do my little sample packs, where I'm going to be walking around to people. I am going to get those tabs. Hold on. All right, so I have these little 2 from tabs. So, yeah, I'm finna be super extra. And I'm going to put from Yelaura Beauty to you up here. Then I'm going to stick one on each thing just for some extra personalization, because I don't know, I just want these to look nice. I want them to look nice and presentable, because, you know, I'm going to be bothering people. I'm going to be walking up to them like, hey, you want some samples? So I want it to look nice. So I'm going to do this little tab. I got to find my Sharpie. There it is. Nope, where's my other Sharpie? Oh, no. Well, it's cool. I got my Lake Chalet pen. Again, you know, I live in the Bay, so if you know what Lake Chalet is, put a comment if you've been there before. And if you don't know what it is, then it is a place, you know, it's just a restaurant. Okay. So, to you from Yelaura Beauty. Okay, well, you can't even see that, but it says to you from Yelaura Beauty. And I almost spelled from wrong. So, look, okay, it's been a long day. It's been a long, confusing, trying day. But the Lord, He came through. He helped your girl out, you know. If I don't get these done today, then, you know, I'm just going to have to go out there on the day of my launch, which will be fine as well. I feel like I'll be more together. Yeah, I feel like I'll be more together. So, here is what a completed bag looks like. Oh, it kind of worked out because this is blue. So, little sunflower, little hang tag. It's just plain on the back. So, yes, that's what my sample pack looks like. So, I will show y'all a shot what they all look like when I'm done with all of them. So, yeah, I'm going to log off. If y'all want to see the shot of what they all look like, then that'll be fine. If not, then I'll see you next time. Oh, bye. Okay, bye. Hey, y'all. So here is what all of my sample baggies look like, all done. All 12. I'm just starting with 12. So, yeah. What they look like on the inside. Candy, info card, samples. Candy, info card, samples. So, yeah, that is all. Hope y'all enjoyed watching me. Well, hope y'all enjoyed that example of me packing my sample packs. If y'all want to see me make more, I literally have 100 bags that I eventually do want to pack. So, yeah. That's the end of the video. Bye. Bye. Hey, y'all. So, I know the lighting and everything probably looks kind of janky, but oh wow. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and just give an update. So I was able to go and give all of my samples out. I only bought 6 samples, so I just want to come up here and tell y'all, don't count yourself out, right? Because I had this idea in my head where people were just gonna be so unreceptive and be like, girl, get out of here, get away from me. No, we don't want your little crusty, dusty samples. But no, not only were people super receptive, they all said thank you, and they were like, oh, you're so sweet, you're so pretty. And I was just like, I don't like people calling me pretty anyway, but they were like, oh, you're just so sweet. And I was like, no, thank you for just even listening. Because yeah, so don't count yourselves out. Do what you need to do to get where you want to get, because no ma'am. Okay, 2020 2020, I'm gonna say it's 2020. That's all I need to say. It's motherfucking 2020. So yeah, don't count yourselves out. Thank you all today at Lake Merritt for just being super receptive. I really super duper appreciate it. So now I'm so not nervous, and I'm super I'm just feeling good. It's a good momentum. So yeah, that was supposed to be the shots of the samples supposed to be in the video, but it's not. This is any video. This is how I'm gonna end the thing out. This is how I'm gonna close the thing out. So yeah. Oh my gosh. So 15 August, I posted on my Instagram as the official launch date. I have posted so many launch dates and had to like back out, but this is it. All of my stuff isn't even here, but I don't even care. When my stuff comes, I'm just have to roll it out as it comes, because I can't keep. And if you want to post a business, if you wanted to go ahead and start what you want to start, you can't keep doing that to yourself neither, because all you're doing is hurting yourself. All you're doing is hurting yourself and stalling yourself from what you want to do. Because I could have been where I wanted to be. I could have been able to help so many people had I probably done what I needed to do years ago and got my stuff together. But that's neither here nor there, because we here now. This is it. So yeah, again, it's time to end this thing, how I'm gonna close it out. So yeah, thank you all. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, that's it. I'm about to try to go find some food from somewhere, because everything closed. It's Sunday and it's COVID season, so everything closed. I'm hungry. I'm about to take my butt home, because I can't. I'm going to eat what I got at the house, because I can't even deal. I'm not driving around. I'm looking for no more food. So yeah, that's all. All right. Bye.